Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give complete explanation about Cognizant started their hiring for Gen Z from 2022 batch. Before going there, just subscribe and like my channel. Watch the video till end. 1 or 2 minutes you are going to spend to get a Cognizant job, how to create a SuperSet account, everything I am going to give you explanation. If you skip out, you will miss so many content. So let's go to the page. This is what they from Cognizant off-campus drive for 2021 and 2022 batches. They mentioned here itself as an CTC. The last date of this going to be in 16th October is the last date. So apply as much quickly. 16th October, surely 8 days is pending for you. So apply as much quickly. Here they mentioned as CTC 4.9, which is 4 LPA. After completing of your training, your CTC going to be 4.5. So don't worry about it. The skills which they mentioned, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, all branches can apply for this role. 50% they are asking. So apply as much you can quickly. Maximum 2 years of education gap should be there. Appropriate CGP should be percentage convincing as per the university norms. So provide your details, everything. Candidate is an onboarded as a fresher, no prior experience considered. So no problem, no work experience they are not asking. So surely you can't apply as much you can quickly. First create a SuperSet account. I'll put link in the description how to create a SuperSet account. These are all the skill set they are expecting from as a fresher. So if you have any one, you can apply for this role. Any one role is enough for you guys to apply for this Cognizant role. They will mention as if you are eligible, it will be show like eligible. If not eligible, you just go here and contact this complaint Cognizant, Gen Z CHR complaint at Cognizant. Just complain them, no problem. They will surely reply you guys. So this are all the key skills. So if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. I will help you. I'll put link in the description. Apply as much quickly, guys. Thanks for watching. And don't forget our channel to subscribe. If you have any doubt, just comment me. I will reply your comment. Thank you, guys.